man.
video.
I'm a pan man. I'm a pan
Bro,
man.
I'm
making this video.
Hey,
I don't really
I
have
hope
a
you
YouTube channel yet.
Stay on your wrist, my
I'm
pan
just
towers.
doing it for
You
right now,
killed
but
me. You
I'm
killed
just
me.
ending this video
I
by
didn't kill you.
finding out what's
I
happening
wanna
in the
join
server.
Who killed my
There's
pan?
like something called like frog wars happening or something. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just gonna find out what's happening.
I'm about to kill you.
We're having like a bunch of fights, and there's like this thing called the pan cave. So that's it for the intro for right now.
Yo.
So I'm gonna just go find out. Let's go.
Bruh,
Kind of heavy.
Bro,
right
can you
now.
buy me a pickaxe, bro?
Here, just have this one.
Bro, stop. I bet that.
E o DJ Série Jazz.
Pan Lord. I'm a pan. I'm a pan. I'm a pan. You be under. No, he asked for it.
Dang well, he did not just steal my thing. This is for war. That guy asked for war.
How?
He has
Go
my
hold the
backpack.
pants.
Why are
Why?
you holding me?
What are you doing to the pants? Holding it. I've been holding. Take all the pants out that you steal. He's stealing pants. Hey! Non-pan has a revolver. A non-pan has a revolver. We all like pan! Enough! I'm a pan. I'm a pan. Everyone! Let people join the pan! I'm the pan. I'm a pan. I'm a pan. I'm a pan. See how much money I
Give my
make.
backpack back.
I'm scared like a good
Yo,
young
bro, Red,
I'm
dude, you want
I'm
money?
Fine.
Red, do you want money?
Back because
Come over
that's
here,
just
come over
how
here.
it's that
Where
everyone
can-
knows for my hoverboard.
Get back!
Round
Ah!
1. Fight.
I'm a get mine back! Ah!
Well, I said
Yellow and killed a pan. Come over here. Listen to me right now, buddy.
Round 2. Fight.
Where's my pan? I lost my pan. Ow! 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 You guys respect me! You respect me, okay? I'm a pan! War! No! We all like... Get over here! Give me a pan! Looks like you two are battling!
this skin.
Who killed him?
I'm not gonna buy anyone. I'm just gonna go
Green with the backpack killed me. He killed a pan. Green with the backpack killed a
Green with the
pan.
backpack stole my backpack. What?
He killed a pan. Dodgy pan. He's trying to kill a pan. Quit trying to kill pan.
Oh, where did my gun go?
He's trying to kill a pan. He's trying to kill a pan. You know nanga.
Where did my backpack go?
Yellow. Yellow. Remember brother.
Who stole my backpack?
Brother. Brother.
That guy.
No,
Brother.
Wait, you want to team up? They're
I
gonna
gotta find him.
betray
Oh, he's
you.
over there. Ha! Little piece of crap.
Brother. I left my pan team just to fight. I'm going
I didn't
back!
kill anyone. Who did I kill? I didn't kill anyone. What the heck? Why did it say I killed someone?
Yo, bro.
I'm at the soul.
What?
Ow!
Give that back,
Oh,
you
yeah,
big
it's
bad.
Can I have that back?
Why would he do that? What did I do? Be nice. I was just trying to be nice.
Okay. I just escaped from that heckish server, okay? Right back
People. No, that means you can't kill.
because it's not
PvP.
No, this where you can kill.
Press this one if you
Guys,
want to
come
kill
on, stay
people.
can kill me. Guys, come on, stay can kill me. Come on, stay can kill me.
Yo, I need a revolver so I can be like a
Pull
Pull
cowboy.
out the shotgun, I'll give you this
Kill me,
back.
guys.
Oh, whatever.
No, that was your ammo. You can't
Honestly, I don't need it. Like, low-key, I don't need it, bro. I
Show
could
me,
just
show
buy
me.
me one.
I will give you some ammo. I will give you some ammo, bro. I will give you some ammo.
Who wants revolver ammo?
Look, bro, here's some ammo, bro.
Me.
Here's some ammo.
I
Where are
need
you?
it.
I need.
Okay,
I need some
Yeah,
ammo.
here you are. Here you are. Look,
I need a revolver. I need revolver, bro. I need revolver. I told you I need revolver.
please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me.
Come here,
Please
come
don't
here.
shoot me.
Come closer.
Bro, what do I do?
Nah, come over here, bro. Come over here. Nah, cause they gonna kill me. Come over here.
Yeah, see, get out of here, bro.
Back up, bro. Not you. Back up, bro. Move.
Just wait a little bit longer. Hold on. Please.
That's no PvP.
No.
Stop on.
Yeah, I'll trade this backpack full of cool stuff for that hoverboard. Give me the
It's
hoverboard.
just a new one.
Who can give me the hoverboard? I give you this backpack full
Follow me,
of
follow
stuff.
me, follow me, follow me. Come over here.
Does anybody want to go?
Where?
Dang it. This is.
Yeah, this is
Please open my restaurant. Anybody want to open go it. mining?
There's no.
Yo, who wants food? Go to the microphone.
Okay, I'm gonna do what I just did, but in a PvP server. I forgot I was in a no PvP. Is it a PvP, right? Yep. Okay, I have an idea.
Who wants to join
Guys, I'm wiping out blue, like all of blue's laser traps. Yeah, good luck getting past that one.
You want to join a
Yeah,
code?
sure, buddy.
I just gotta wait.
I want to join a code. Who said you want to join a code? Dog, you want to join a code?
No.
You ruined my pants, dog.
My job is done here.
Guys, where is Haunted Mansion at?
I don't know.
Go straight into Dark Forest.
Hey, stop hitting me.
Stop trying to hit me.
Someone ruined my pants.
This pickaxe. Oh my god! Owie! Just hit me with the stick.
What?
Oh my god, I escaped. I escaped right on time. Is it enabled? Hold on, I gotta load in. PvP enabled. Okay, there's only 6 people. Hold on, this is a laggy server. Yeah, I know. Hold on. Different server. There you go. Ew, what the heck?
Thank you.
Hey, you're getting reported right now.
Stop!
Okay.
Shut up!
Doesn't matter.
Shut up! Boo! Boo!
You still get my gun collection, you know
That's my
that,
straight
right?
backpack.
Can someone give me some revolver?
You get my gun collection.
I don't have. Hey, do you have the RPG ammo or not? Because if you do,
the one that
I'll give you this backpack, and it has a golden pickaxe. It will be cushioned including the whole entire backpack.
I don't have a revolver.
I'll give you
I want it. I really make some money.
Empty it.
Dude, can somebody give me a revolver?
Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Run for it. Free stuff. Free stuff.
You killed me!
Red one. Wait, why am I red one, bro?
We went from Frog Wars to doing this stuff. Like, I don't know, keep putting bombs in backpacks and they're just blowing people up. Yo, someone just blew me up. That's not nice, guys. They just stole my grappler. I don't think they know, though.
3 kill red watches.
Yo, I just
I
went out
hate
of the
red
map.
watches.
I just went out of the map. I don't know what I did. I'm on the tree. I'm on the ginormous tree. I didn't know we were in the tree. I guess I know now. Whee! Oh, it actually works. Yoo-hoo!
Can I have a crowbar?
So that,
I don't have
that's
enough
so
money, bro.
bad.
Can I have a crowbar?
How long is this thing gonna work? There you go.
Who's the revolver and it?
Right, you can have his.
Who owns revolver and grappler?
I do.
What are you gonna do?
I have a
We're good, you
grappler.
guys. We're good.
I need one.
We're gone.
Who owns revolver and grappler?
We're in that corner wall. Wait, hold on.
Somebody give me revolver and grappler.
I don't trust nobody, bro. I don't trust nobody.
I trust everybody.
I want to train a monkey. I will train a monkey.
Who wants this free bag?
Free stuff.
Really?
Free stuff.
Hey, give me that.
Free stuff.
Hey guys, does anybody want any free stuff? Here's some free stuff.
Give it back.
Where?
Free stuff.
here.
No, that has a grenade in it. I seen him. That has a grenade in it.
No, it
A
doesn't.
grenade in it. A
No, it doesn't.
stick of dynamite.
You're gonna die.
Dang.
He said he couldn't go his friends over.
I know it's in, bro.
We did the
Yeah, I
scam.
just stick of
Look,
dynamite.
fist bump. Look, fist bump.
Buddy.
Oh.
Free stuff. Free stuff. Free stuff.
Give me this crowbar.
I told you it was good stuff.
You kidding me?
Oh,
Free
right now?
stuff.
Thanks.
Yes, I am.
You gotta be kidding me.
Give me the crowbar. I want the crowbar. What the?
Like, how do you know him since you were born?
And then we'll go by.
Y'all like end up in the same like daycare when like you were born.
Dude, we're not falling for a third
Whoopee
time.
cushion. Hey, bro, now go out there, get your whoopee cushion. I dare you.
Wait, I'll buy it. Okay, I'm out here. Dumb. Oh, it's in here.
Yeah, man.
Nothing's in there, Pug. That
Free
just had a little bit of dynamite.
stuff. Free
Don't open
stuff.
that.
Pug,
He
just
killed himself.
free stuff.
Free stuff.
Kill him, guy
free
with a
stuff.
revolver. Kill him. He literally had a
Free
revolver.
stuff. Free
Who's a
stuff.
red
Free
one?
stuff. Me. I'm a red watch.
Be
Free
quiet.
stuff. Free
I'm joining a new one. They're not falling for the trap anymore. Oh, frick, it just lagged.
Boy, shut your damn mouth.
Alright.
No, I'm good. It's not popping up. It should be a dog.
What color are you?
No backpack.
Legendary super.
Not that bad.
Hey, are you ready?
Wants to go to sewers.
Who wants this free backpack? Who wants this free backpack?
What does this do?
Who wants this free backpack?
What
Who
color?
wants this free? Okay.
What does this do?
Trap. Or guys, can you grab my thigh, shake my butt? I have one question. How is this door all the way from? I don't know.
How?
Wants to go to sewer.
What the heck just happened? Hey, give
Hey,
me back my
everybody.
backpack.
Can somebody help me?
You.
I don't know how
Give
to
it back.
play.
Give me my backpack.
No.
Give it back.
Hey, can I have blue chips? What's in here?
Whoever.
Can I have blue chippies? Can I have the blue chips?
I swear. I swear. If you
I can buy it. I can buy it. That's why I fully
Give me my
bought it.
backpack.
Yes, Red Watch. Yes, Red.
Oh my god, bro, I made it out of time. I'm just too fast for them, bro. Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Touch.
Whoever activates and drops this, I'll buy
Let's
it.
go, baby.
$30, $15.
I'll buy you a grappler
little
and activate and drop.
Activate what?
Hey, can someone give me a free backpack? Someone should give me a...
I buy.
I'm pretty sure someone should clap your cheek.
I'll buy anyone a grab. Yeah, drop it. Grappler, please.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll have a
If
grappler.
you own one or something.
I want the grappler.
I'll do something.
Can someone give me something? Can someone give me a revolver and... I mean, never mind. I'll take anything.
I'll take anything.
Can someone give me a
this is
backpack?
it.
Can someone give me a
It's
backpack?
gonna blow up.
Can someone please give me a
Bro,
backpack?
what is that?
Can someone please give me a
It's a
backpack?
bomb.
You know what it is? My...
Daddy.
Can someone give me a backpack, please?
That's honestly kind of cool.
No.
Here, I can get you a backpack.
Wait, thank you. I need a backpack.
Wait,
I need a backpack.
you want to go mining with me?
I want to go get a backpack. I need a backpack.
I'm just gonna buy a small backpack. Where are they?
Buy a small backpack.
Giving out free stuff, guys. I'm giving out free stuff.
No, I am.
I want it. I want it.
Wait. No,
guys,
you.
I'm dropping it.
You with
dropping it.
dynamite.
What?
You with dynamite.
Yeah?
You want to go mining
I
with
need
me?
free stuff.
Hold on.
I need
What's
free
this getting,
stuff.
bro? Here. Take it.
Oh, shit!
Oh, yo, I'm jumping a free backpack too.
You want to go mining with me?
Oh, what the? Oh my God, everybody's dying, guys.
Guys, can someone give me
Bro, you want to
something?
go mining with me?
I
wait,
need
I'm good. I
stand
have a
still.
pickaxe.
I'll take
shit.
anything. I want to be the
Yeah.
angler. Put your hands up.
Sorry, bro.
Wait.
No.
Okay, go get Anglefish now. Bet. Then fucking, that's so stupid.
Wait, no, can I see that thing?
You dummy. That's so stupid.
Nay,
Can you help me? Nigga, nay.
What, you
Can I
got
just throw it?
ammo?
No. I got a revolver. I got a revolver.
They're mine. They're mine. What the hell? What's happening?
Oh no, bro, he's trying to team on us.
I know we got team up on him. Team up on his ass.
Can someone team with me?
Don't hit it. Hey, look.
I'm just going stuff away.
Hey, frisbee.
Wait, not you,
Touchdown.
Pink.
Who
Pink.
wants free stuff?
What?
I
wanna go
do.
mining
I do.
with me?
Please. I don't have it. I don't have nothing. I lost my stuff.
It's right there.
Can you help me?
You want to go mining in a private server with me?
They fucking cooked me.
Yeah, but also,
Can someone give me something?
unlock.
Can someone give me something?
Okay,
And
just
then
come
I'll-
over here.
There I come. Hey, there I come, Green.
Yeah.
Free.
Type in this code. Look.
That's the code.
E
I'm not joining.
E W
What's the code? Restart
A.
it. Wait, restart the code.
I did not die.
N
Wait, what's the code again? I forgot.
E W A N.
E-W-A-N?
Yes.
E-W-A-N.
Oh my god.
E-W-A-N. Ewin. E-W-A-N. I'm gonna cause mass destruction. I don't think I heard him right. Oh, there you go.
Yellow. Come over here. Look.
I'm done. Right here.
Take this.
Can someone activate this and put this in my backpack?
Wait,
Can
who
someone
knew?
activate it?
I will.
Who
I
knew?
will. I
Who
will.
knew? Who knew?
And then take take
now
this.
you're my Pokemon.
It's not in it.
Who did this?
Oh,
Take
come
that.
on.
Who did
You
this?
lied to me.
Okay, now put it on.
this?
Wrong
I
button.
need it. I need it.
Okay?
Please. I have
Come
nothing.
with me.
Look out, one.
Hold up. Look.
1 second.
Look.
I know I do have one.
Hey,
I'll be right back.
hey, Green.
That I've unlocked.
Green. La 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 la.
What the heck?
Half this.
How did I get stuck on the couch?
There it is.
I didn't work. I feel like I'm by noon. Got that. What the heck? What is this? No, I don't want that. Where's the new bomb thing?
Search coins.
It's right there. How do I get that? Hey! Oh, they're both full, so I can get those two, but then I won't. Dang, that thing was 3? Oh man, I can't get it. I could get the bomb. The explosive pew pew. I'm actually gonna buy these. How do I get over there? What the heck am I? I am lagging the crap out. Oh frick. That's sad. I just died. I'm gonna go kill myself. I have idea. Ding ding ding, my brain is working. For once in my life. Hold on. Where's the bomb? Right there. Okay, so that's the bomb. Let me go there. go there. And where did I die? Where the flip-flops did I die though? Actually, where did I die though? Oh, I died right there. You go no, you go that way. So good idea. Now when you died. Where's my gun? 1, 2, 3, 4. My baby don't mess around. Too far. That didn't work. Ooh. Don't touch the ground or the lava on me. My gun's right there. Oh my god, I can't get out. I have to hold my arms in the air and try to walk over here. Yeah, that's not gonna
Put my
work.
stuff back.
Help me.
Use my crowbar and kill it.
I put it just
killed it.
it's closer. No, I didn't.
All my stuff.
Ooga. It's over there. Bro, what the heck is my brother watching? Whatever. I gotta get back now. Back. Oh my god, this is the worst situation to be in. I just took damage. I was not supposed to take damage. Oh god, take a 360. This works. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my god, I'm the happiest man on earth.
I died.
Bro, I am mega mind, bro.
No!
Okay, that just me being mean to myself. Why am I that laggy? Ow. Oh my god, I took damage when I did it. This is scary. Go from there. Hold on. Sounded like I was trying to cry for a second. Wait.
I'm back.
Nope, that's not enough anyways. Ow, I just hurt myself. So you gotta go to the crowbar, then you gotta go. I'm gonna die. Where's the MRE thing, whatever it's called? Food pack. Dang, it's all the way. I could get it. Oh, never mind, no, I can't. This kinda sucks. I'm practically dying. I'm not trying to die, bro. I'm not gonna make that. There's just no possible way of me making that. There's like nothing. Wait, Mega Mind. Oh my god, I'm so smart. I'm actually using my brain for once. Yeah, I don't know if I can make that jump. Hold on. Oh my god, I did it.
Who died?
Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm about to crash out. No way, I just wasted my time doing this. For a stupid bone. Yeah, just kill myself, honestly. Man, this sucks. Just look, the freaking bombs are right here. Go to there, go to there. Why is it over there? Why is it not pointing that way?
They're going back.
It lied to me. Hold on. So I was going the right way. It just wanted to trick me. Wait, over there. Why didn't it work? What? Why am I shaking? I'm gonna kill myself. This is making me mad. I can make it. Yes, I can. Oh my god, bro. Can I reach for my gun? Yo, I'm about to die. I can do this.
Where are y'all? We're still down in the sewer.
I'm not in the sewers. Wait, so I do have to buy that. No, wait. You tricked me again, you piece of crap. I'm that dumb, I guess. Can I hit high enough jump like that? Oh my god, I'm gonna freaking die. I knew it! Get right in the middle so I don't die no more. I don't freaking get this. I don't get it. So the bomb is that one. Oh, why do I keep getting tricked? Why am I freaking shaking? I'm gonna cry. Ah. Look, it's this way. No, it's not. Where the heck is it? I have to go all the way over there. No! Oh my god! Yes! Yes, I made it! I'm gonna go up! Yay! Like a grenade. That's the grenade. Go, 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 go. Gotta make that jump. Better make it. Not gonna make it. Not good. Yes, it is. Ooh, I'm freaking smart. Don't fall all the way down. Oh, that thing scared me. Where's everyone at? This video's gonna be pretty long. My bad, guys. I kind of got stuck in the multiverse. Definitely not dying over and over again. That was embarrassing. Not gonna lie. I basically just missed out everything in my entire life. I just spent like 35 minutes doing that. Oh, hey.
Hey.
Where's everyone at?
There's two was. There was.
Wait, like everyone's in there?
Yeah?
Hold on, let me cheat. Let me cheat. Someone left.
Back again. Coming back.
What the heck is he yapping about, bro? Chaos mode activated. Chaos emeralds. I don't know what I'm talking about. I think I'm going crazy from how many times I died in there. I should have bought some bullets.
If y'all
What part are you guys in the sewers? There's no way of getting out of here, so if I go in here, I'm going to be in here for a while, my friends. Miss. Oh, right down the middle. Where did they go? Yeah, they're obviously gonna go. Don't leave me.
Hey!
Wait for me. Please, don't leave me here, guys. Don't leave me. It's not good to leave a monkey alone. Oh, there you are. You want this bag? You can have it. I don't want
I
that.
don't care about dumb bag.
You can have about that bag. You can have that bag, my friend. Wait, why'd you not? Bruh, you should have poured. Wait, does this bag actually have something in it? I don't know.
They ought to go
Get
with
away! I am the master of farts. Get away!
What is that?
the heck?
Where's the red light, green light bar? Wait. Just kill me.
You just rolled past.
No! Where are you going now, Wet? Green.
Oh, it's green light.
Green, where are you going? No.
I'm trying to farm, bro.
Someone stop you.
Hey, you color, you guys. Go open this. Hey, person. Go open this in front of
We
that
gotta
guy.
go hide.
Or not. Ow, 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 ow. Why can I not jump? Yay. Here you go. You want this backpack? I don't want it.
Nah, you're gonna die up there, bro.
Hey, you
That
guys.
monkey will assassinate you.
Have this bomb.
That monkey will That monkey's gonna assassinate you, bro.
Have this backpack.
Taste my fart.
Everybody wait for me.
Open the backpack.
There's a bomb! Bomb!
Toy gun.
Bro.
I got you guys.
He killed.
What is that?
Did he kill someone? Did he kill someone?
No.
Help me.
On.